2018 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it, something special. There's the converter, still stock. Then it's got a factory X pipe right there. Then we did some CARVEN exhaust. Part number CVNCVESR30. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. A set. CARVEN R Series performance mufflers. There they are. Really beautiful. Right there and right there. I like it. And then he had another muffler shop do a muffler delete on it. Rear resonator muffler. And put quad tips right there. I'm gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. We let the demons out, hopefully soon. There it is. Told you. I like it. You see what I'm talking about? None of them sound like it. Your sound decibels, go ahead. It's at 115. Damn. This is the two mid mufflers or resonators we took out. Oh, that auto is so beautiful. Now it sounds like a Hellcat, man. Believe me, guys, the camera don't give it justice. You guys got to hear it in person. Oh my God, it sounds amazing. One more time. Nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh, you can't beat that CARVEN, man. Woo. All right, bro. Enjoy it, bro. Thank you. Dodge Challenger Hellcat SRT. He's gonna put it in track mode for us, hopefully. We'll see. Hell yeah. It's a beast mode.